everyone, I hope you all are doing well. My name is Dave and welcome back in Bandra. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can adjust heat, sandals and animation in 3D. So most of the time what happen whenever we are creating animation in the DAZ 3D while wearing a heel sandal, the sandals are not adjust properly in the foot. So today I'm going to solve this problem and let's get start this video. So before start this video, I also want to request you, if you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe it, and if you can also press the bell icon so you can get notification of our latest video. So let's get start this video. So let me add first of all the figure. So I'm going to use the Genesis 8.1 female. Okay, so this is our Genesis 8.1 female, and now I will add a sandals, heel sandal in this avatar. Okay, so I have one which I had purchased from the DAZ store. Okay, so these are the heels, and I will also going to apply the animation. First of all, I will show you what the problem we will face when we will create animation. So I am going to simply create a simple animation, uh, walk animation, forward walk animation, okay, cyclic animation. So I will apply this. So let me show you first of all what problem we are facing. Okay, so this is the problem we are facing. Okay, and one more problem we will face instead of this. First, I will show you. I will show you how you can adjust this one. But after adjusting the sandals, still there are some issues in the animation. So let me adjust first the sandals. For adjusting the sandals, we need to switch to the animate light, and there is an option available, foot offset. So you just need to click the foot offset, and we will adjust the foot using foot offset tool. So let me show you first how this tool works. Just click the foot offset tool and you just need to adjust it. So I'm just simply use the 50%, 50 degree. Okay, now let me show you the animation. After adjusting the foot, we still have the problem in the animation. So let me show you. You can see the foots are outside of the sandals. So we need to adjust the issue. Okay, so we will going to solve this issue in this video. So let me start. So what we need to do, let me adjust it first. Okay, so you can't edit the existing animation, the any block animation. You cannot adjust, anything in this animation. For adjusting, what we need to do, we simply click, right click here, and we will bring all the keyframes of the any block. Okay, then you will see this notification and we will press yes. Okay, so our keyframes are big, and now we will switch to the timeline. So these are the keyframes, and now we will adjust each frame one by one to solve this issue. Let me again show you guys. Okay, so we will adjust all the frames. Simply go to the frame 1. Now you simply need to click toes. Okay, and after selecting the toes, you see these options available to adjust the rotation and twist and bend. So from here we will adjust one by one each frame and save each frame. So let's start adjusting.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart.
So now we had adjusted all the keyframes. Let me show you how it look like in final view. So now there is no issue, and if there are some minor issues, you can adjust the keyframe. So I hope guys you had liked this video, and if you like this, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. And you can also follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.